Hello everyone and welcome back to Camping and Outdoor Stuff. I'm Snert. The weather is turned back to good old North Wales rain today. I've actually got the porch open on the front of the Berghouse Air 4. Although it did pool with water and then come flooding off the side and nearly drenched us all. But we had a good night. The steak that I was cooking on the fireball there, it rained that hard while we were cooking it, I nearly ended up poaching them. So I had to take them off and take them under cover and finish them off and cook them in a frying pan. But nevertheless, they were excellent when they were done. Steak, mushrooms, onions and salad. So we've kind of all retreated into my tent, 3 of us, this weekend camping. The Trekology mat that I've been sleeping on, which I will be doing a bit of a video on at some point, has been great. I've slept on that for 2 nights now, and the Trekology pillow as well. It's been quite nice and warm. So this is the setup this weekend. Got my camping gas cooker, which we used for the steak last night. Very nice. So this is a bit of a quick view of around the site. If you want to know what that is, that's made out of horn. I think it's ox horn, and they've made it into a beer drinking vessel for me. Excellent. So, and there's the big brother of my tent, which is the Berghouse Air 6. It's basically about twice the size. 2 bedrooms, bedroom at either end. Sleeps 3 in either end. The Air 8 is more or less similar style, bedroom at either end, but it holds 4 people in each bedroom. So it's classed as an 8 berth. And the Berghouse porch, which I do have, and I've never done a video on that yet, will fit on the Air 4, the Air 6 and the Air 8. So that's kind of more or less doubles the living accommodation. So it's great. It's been raining, but it's very nice. We're having some fun. So okay, catch you later.